Hello, we are the Roald Darlings.
We are here today to talk about a fantastically delicious book.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl.
We have chosen to review this book because it is wonderfully creative,
full of interesting characters and a plot to die for.
We hope you enjoy it.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a wonderfully tantalising tale.
A group of children who win golden tickets to a chocolate factory.
However, this is no ordinary chocolate factory. This is the factory of your dreams.
The absolute highlight of this book is when Violet Beauregarde gets greedy and has a meal suite.
In this suite, there are 3 courses, and when she reaches the dessert, she explodes and turns bright purple.
Overall, we would give this book 5 Oompa Loompas out of 5. You would really enjoy this book if you like chocolate, adventures, magic, and seeing bratty children get their comeuppance.
Read this book to your family or your teddy bears and be transported to a magical world.